In this lesson, we will start working on a project by placing a raster. Activate the Line command, which is located on the Home tab in the Draw group. Make sure that you start drawing on the Auxiliary Lines layer. If you currently have another current layer set up, then click on the name Auxiliary Lines in the drop-down list. Set the value for the first point of the segment to 0 and 0 by entering the value 0 from the keyboard. Press the Tab key and then 0. For the next point, enter the value 27,350 by entering this value from the keyboard. Make sure that the ortho mode is enabled at the bottom of the status bar, or hold down the Shift key to create a straight line when plotting the second point. Now we are ready to place the raster. Select the raster layer. Go to the Insert tab. Activate the Insert Image command in the reference group. We will need a first floor plan now, so select the file called First Floor Plan. In the dialog box that opens, click OK without changing the settings. Using the endpoint snap, place the raster at the beginning of the segment. We see that the scale of the raster does not match the scale of our drawing, so we need to scale the raster. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in on the document on the screen, bringing your view closer to the lower left corner of the raster. Move the image using the Move command or the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-D. Specify the first size intersection as the base point, as shown in the video. Specify the beginning of the line as the second point. Next, we move on to scaling. Activate the Scale command. Please note that this command is applied to the raster element, so the image should be highlighted in blue. We need the linear size on the raster with a value of 27,350 to completely coincide with our segment. So specify the beginning of the segment as the base point, and then select the reference length mode from the bottom of the command line. Next, specify the length by clicking on the first size intersection and the second size intersection. To select a new length, click on the end point of the line. Now the scale of the raster matches the scale of our drawing. Now we can get to work. To make it easier to work with the image, select the placed raster and set the value to 40 in the transparency parameter in the properties. That's it, you're ready to start the next lesson.